guys.
Hi guys.
I
I'm gonna buy Treasure X. I like it. That's why I was gonna buy it.
Show this.
What?
What is this show? What's in here?
Which one? Here. So first you have some minutes for this, and then you dig it, and you can get that, and you see some people skeleton. You have a max one see, and then we get that. You get something from this thing and build this. So welcome to the end. Hi guys, my name is Razon. Welcome to Razon's Kids Club. Today I'm unboxing a Treasure X. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm unboxing it now. Yeah, so I'm unboxing it, and this was 1 year ago, and I was 4 years old. This is my brother's purse, you can see, and that's my stuff. Though I didn't need to use a scissor because I didn't see like the shovel. It was under a black thing. And do you like my shirt? I'm wearing a look at my shirt. It's a Ninja Turtle. Though I'm trying to take the thing off, like the wrapping, so I can put it inside the water. When you put it in the water, you'll see it's a little bit sand came out. It's like getting a mess. So I'm putting it in the water. You'll see what happened. Hey, that's my brother's. Now I'm cleaning. So my Treasure X is nearly done. Do you like it? So I took it. I'm taking it out. Whoa, my hands are so. Look at the water. It's so sand. So I'm cutting it off, but I'm using a scissor. It doesn't matter. You can see that treasure. You can see Leo, Mikey, Raph, and Donatello. You can see it in my shirt. And I'm cutting it now. So, would you see that? I see something inside. My hands are sandy. So, I'm still unboxing it. Though the parts of sand are going in my breaking. No, sand is on the couch, and I'm breaking the sand. Oh, I got a weapon. Who did I get? Oh yeah, I got it. I got the 20s one. Yeah, you can see a part of sand, though I'm cutting it with the scissor. So we're gonna put it's a mess, so I'm still cutting it. This is gonna take for ages, you know. So I found the head. Yeah, I found the head and the weapon. So I'm gonna find the body and the legs and the hands. And that was when I was 4 years old. My hands fell off. And this is my Treasure X books. No, treasure. There's something inside. So I'm cutting it because I have to put it in the water. I'm putting it in the water again because volcano eruption is gonna come. I'm walking away because I'm waiting. I'm looking at my instructions to see if it's right or not right. So I'm looking at my instructions. I'm putting my hand on, and then I put the weapons on, then I put the head on, and I and see the water. It's so orange because of the lava eruption turned into that. So I have the weapon, the head, the body, and I should be getting a gold thing, but I didn't. So I like it. And look at it. I got my treasure X, and would you see the weapon, see the hat, see the head, see the arms, see the legs, and see the gold necklace. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.